niya palang matatry. Hi guys! Korean food!
Not in Korea though.
안녕하세요.
Gabi, jumping like.
Guys, we're gonna taste test. We bought this from the Indakers. Indakers! Support. Shout out kanina Joshua, Kat, Trent, Bianca. So I got the Biscoff cookies. How about you? I got Brookie. Grabe, ang laki. So laki guys. And this is only 85 pesos. Ito 100 something. Five size literal. We can do. One, two, three.
But like when
Yum! It's not too sweet, it's not too dry. Pero sakto lang talaga, like, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Alam niyo, I'm LC. Hindi ko too sweet. Sakto lang. Pero lasang-lasa ng
Hindi yung biscuit, like yung biscuit talaga.
10 out of 10. Order from Old Market in Dockers. Hi guys, welcome back to another haul. So I came back from Mossimo Campus Tour 2025 and I got few things, and I want to thank Gemma for inviting me as their KOL. So kalimutan ko mag-vlog sa CADS, but madami akong tinig na photos. I'm going to start off with the tote bag. They gave us this huge tote bag. Super ganda ng material, guys. Tapos, ang luwag sa loob. And hindi siya like light material sa tote bag. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys kung ano nakuha ko. First things first, it comes with a free cap. It says, established 1986, Mossimo League members only. And it's in color green since it's Team LaSalle. And then I also got free tumbler. I think this is color black. Looks like this. And then meron siyang strap. And then I also got a free handheld fan. Maliit lang siya and it's color light blue. Light blue ba to? Oh, it's white. Pero may accents ng blue and gray. 3 levels. Very perfect for the Taft weather. And then me and my friend also took photo booth picture. Nasa ref na yung isa, so hindi ko mapapakita. And then I also got socks. High socks. High knee socks. Yun lang. Oh, I also like got this from the fishbowl. You can pick like random message about love. I forgot the other two, but I picked the one for love, and it says love is real, so is your parasocial relationship. That's my Mossimo haul. I actually posted pictures on my TikTok, which is linked down below, so you guys should definitely follow me there.
Sabi daw kasi naglalag. Actually, hindi ko pa nga alam eh. Hindi ko pa siya masyado na.
Solo elevator. Solo trip? What? Solo trip?
I'm Shiloh's biggest fan. Yes! Happy birthday, Shiloh! October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 8 months advance.
Yes! Okay, Okay, so this segment of the vlog is specifically for a PR haul because it's my first time receiving a PR from a known brand, and I actually got a PR or welcoming PR from Medicube. So they sent me a lot of their products. Also their sister company, I believe, April Skin, also included some goodies in here. So you guys might be wondering how did I got this PR package. So I actually got an email from them, like from Medicube US, and there's a link there that I could sign up as an ambassador. So I used my TikTok account, and then after like a day, I think they accepted my application, so I became a Medicube ambassador. But I didn't know they actually like give you free products as a welcoming PR. So I was so shocked when I received an email from DHL that there's an order coming my way. There's an order from Korea that is going to arrive soon. So yeah, some of the products here, I've already used them like right now. I'm using the Medicube collagen jelly cream. So far it's good. I've been using it 2 days now, and it's good. Like, it's moisturizing in my skin, and it's like when I wake up in the next day, my skin feels so, like, how do I say it, light and glowy, I would say. And then I'm also using the keratin one from April Skin. I use this for my active pimple. So far I'm not too sure with the results, but hopefully this works. They also sent me their peel off pack. This is the one with niacinamide and PHA and PHA. Very good for exfoliating. Oh, and also I already put this in the ref, pero they gave me the kojic acid turmeric pad, and it's actually so big. I've actually also done a haul of what I got in my TikTok. Next naman is this one from April Skin, their keratin hydro milk cleansing balm. I will definitely use this after I finish my cleansing oil and cleansing balm, but yeah, I have something in stock now. And then they also sent me this one. This is the one I'm looking forward to. This is the PDRN pink peptide serum. If you guys didn't know, I think PDRN is from salmon DNA. I'm pretty sure it's this one. I also got the April Skin DXA niacinamide toning shot 99 serum. I heard mixed reviews about this, but hopefully if I tried it, it would work on my skin because medyo mahapdi yata yung feeling nito. Last but not the least is the collagen night wrapping mask. I'm so excited to try this out. I'm definitely gonna try this, especially because it's midterms, guys. So they also sent me this brush for when I put the peel off mask. So that's it for my Medicube / April Skin haul. Thank you so much, Medicube and April Skin.
Yes! Visitor! Lasal! I'm lasal!
Hello! Guys, pang ano na namin to, ilang this month, like 4th. Ano to?
Guys, ang bango to. Happy Island.
Ang bango?
Wait, ito. Try mo.
Ito, blue sage yung... Oh, pwede na. Oh, ito. Ibig ko lang ito.
Bango nga.
Oh my God, what if pinag tayo sa phone? Magkano kaya? Sa phone natin. Yes, may purchase na kami, guys, for Medicube. Join. Guess who I saw?
Ay, bigyan ka na pa. Siya yung ano, siya nag-goyo ng...
So can you come pick up your clothes? I had them folded.
Miss ko na yung ano, car rides.
Oo nga eh, wala na. lang.
Bang, bang!